Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get pass point fast in Grow a Garden game of Roblox Evo update. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have already joined Grow a Garden game on Roblox, and as we know that the Evo update has been dropped, and in this update guys, you will get this new feature or option right here, pass. And as you can see that we need to increase our level to claim reward and to get the pass points. This pass point, and you can use the pass point to buy something from this store. Okay, and to get the pass point guys, you need to increase your XP. Okay, this is my level, XP level right now, and if you want to increase your level, you can complete the quest, the daily quest. And as you can see, I have already completed 2 of them, and I'm going to claim my XP like this. And you can also increase your XP by harvesting your crops or your plants in your garden like this, and you will get XP, and it depends on the plant's rarity. Okay, I'm going to show you my level. Okay, I got 2,800 XP, and then I'm going to collect, for example, this carnival pumpkin and also this turnip and shroom. And let's harvest elder strawberry, and let's see the XP. Okay, as you can see guys that it has been increased. And when you can increase your XP level, you will get pass point as reward. Okay, for example, here you need to be at level 6 to get 50 pass point. So you can harvest your crops as much as you can, and it will help you to earn the pass point fast in Grow a Garden. Okay, and that's all the video for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!